All right, so here it is, my Publix haul, Publix heist for the week. This is $219.38 with the goods all said and done. I had an overage moneymaker of $26.03, and as always, that total includes the tax. So I got to keep it real on our coupon boast here, real accurate. All right, this is for the week of November 25th to November 30th, the short week, or November 25th to November 29th. Today is November 26th, so I did this all yesterday. I wasn't sure I was going to do a video, but ended up doing it. There's a lot of good deals, so I ended up doing a video. This is kind of the short week. Is one where they were closed. They're closed on Thanksgiving. They're closed on Christmas. Usually after that is a short week. Sometimes not really many good deals, but yeah, there was definitely some good deals here. So I found so I'm gonna try to do this every week. I might not do it next week, but I'm gonna try to do this every week. So please subscribe to my channel to get these deals right off. I know I'm a day late today. Usually I like to get the deal out Thursday, but today, well, they came out Friday. Was the day it opened, closed Thursday, Thanksgiving. Friday I did these deals, and today's Saturday. I'm getting the video up a little late, but better late than never. So hopefully you can do some of these deals yourself. All right, let's get it right into, gosh, maybe 15 or so great deals this week. So start with these Tates Cookies. I did this deal before, and keep doing it because it comes back in ibotta, and there's a Publix digital coupon. So regular price $1.25. Publix digital coupon makes it free. This takes $1.25 off, and ibotta has $1 rebate. That's $1 overage for there. Tena pads. Oh, my favorite. Oh, my favorite. I don't know what their marketing department is thinking, but hey, I'm not going to complain here. So just regular price, $5.99. I ended up getting 8. I got the limit here, $5.99. Better deal to get price 6 of them, but I got 8 of them. $5.99 times 8 equals $51.51, and that is the price. They're not on sale. However, they explode these things with coupons. So there is a manufacturer coupon for $3 off, as you can see there, and I used 8 of those. Got the link as well as a detailed breakdown below. So below the video to the left it'll say more. Click on that, click on it maybe again, it says more, and it'll bring up everything, all detailed breakdown, as well as links to print these coupons. So I printed out 8 of those. You need 2 per device. Actually, I was able to print it again later in the week, so only actually 2 devices. But anyways, printed out 8 of those. Now there's a store coupon, which I don't have. It's on page 10 in the extra savings one that takes $5 off of 2. So I used 8 of those manufacturer coupons. That gives me $24 to the good. I used 4 of those $5 off of 2 extra savings coupon. That gives me $20 to the good. And of course, I'm over my $30 threshold. So I submit to activate rewards, gives you another $10 back. Obviously, I haven't gotten that back, but made those a $2.49 overage. Now, if you're going to get you're going to have about a $3.50 overage, a little more. Maybe like $3.65 if you just get 6 of them. I got 8 of them. So, all right, next deal. Planet Oat. Regular price for this is $5.39. It's on sale for $4. I did last video, but I got it again. So it's just a Publix digital coupon for a free one. Had one of those left. Clip that. Took $4 off. Made that free. Actually, it was $4.30 because there's tax, so it made it 30 cents. All right, Wick refill 2 count. So these are regular price. They're $5.99 each. So for 2 of them with the tax, it would be $12.88. However, they're on sale for $1 off, so they're $4.99 each. So for 2 of them with the tax, comes to $10.73. There's a Publix digital coupon for buy one get one free, so that takes $4.99 off. Ibotta has $1.50 back on each one, so that gave me $3 more to good. And or coupons.com has a $5.50 rebate. So combining all those, it's $2.76 overage. All right, Suave deodorant. I did this deal before. Again, it kind of glitches. It's $1.91. And actually, I think I went in the store today actually, and they raised the price. So it's $1.91. It was $1.91 yesterday. So for 2 of them with the tax, $4.11. And there is there is a manufacturer coupon. Actually expires today for 75 cents off. So you probably can't even do this deal. Unless you can find a printable, which you probably can. Suave sends out so many. 75 cents off. Use 2 of those. I'm showing you what I did. And $1.50 off about a rebate. Took 2 of those off. It glitches. It was a different one. That was $3 off. And 39 cent overage on those. There's also 50-cent rebate. About a rebate I saw. But that was a 39-cent overage. All right. And as always, I'm working up to something. As you see, it was hurry. I did these deals yesterday twice. 10 off of 40. Come on. So competitor coupon, 2 separate transactions. I got $20 off my total. I went over 40, way over 40 both. I probably could have broke it up into 3 transactions and could have had a $36 overage, but that's a lot of hassle. This was already a lot of hassle. But all right, Clorox disinfectant wipe. Regular price for these guys, and I've bought them before. The regular price is $4.99 each. If you get the refill, the mist refill, so $4.99 each. For 2 of them, add the tax, comes to $10.73. However, they're on sale for $2 off this week, so $2.99. Add the tax for 2 of them, it comes to $6.43. There's a manufacturer printable coupon. I got the link to print that below. It takes $2 off. I used 2 of those. And then Swag Bucks gives you 300 Swag Buck points, which is equivalent to $3 when you buy 2 of them. So if you stack both of those, you got a 50-cent overage right there. CheezIt puffed, and you know what, this picture would have looked better because I did get 4 of these, and me and my son pounded one of these already. I mean, these things just, I mean, it's like one of those little bags, but it's a huge bag of chips, or CheezIt puffed, kind of like those cheese balls, or Cheetos, or cheese puffs, kind of like that. Either the one we ate. All right, giving you the product review. So regular price $4.31 for these guys. For 4 of them, $17.24. I know 3 of them are. I've already ate one of them. I'm sorry, but and I usually save the bag even if I eat one, but we threw it out. So for 4 of them, since they're BOGO this week, comes to $8.62 for 4 of them. There is a manufacturer printable coupon for $1 off. It does say Cheez-it crackers. Cheez-it crackers. It's scanned, so I know these are Cheez-it puffs, but it works. So I used 2 of those. That took $2 off. And Ibotta has a $1.25 rebate limit of 5, so I used 4 of those. That took $5 off, making those 4 bags of Cheez-It puffs that are very good, $1.72 total. And as always, you know, help me reach my 10 off and 10 off of my Save a Lot competitor coupon. Now, competitor coupon has to be some store within 5-mile radius. I don't know, they have their little guidelines, but I did find 2 different stores that accepted, and I went there for these transactions, which was different. It was a little farther, but it wasn't too bad. As I said, where I live, I can get to 15 Publix within 15 minutes or 20 minutes. So 15 Publix within 20 minutes. So I'm able to do this probably a little easier than you guys, but hopefully this video will help you. Beyond Meat, these things keep going up in price, man, do they? So $6.29 for these guys. So for 2 of them would be $12.58, no tax in the state of Florida on food here, healthy food. They're BOGO this week, so you get 2 of them for $6.29. There's a manufacturer printable. I got the link to print that below. Took $2 off, and $2 off. I used 2 of them. I submitted $6.29 to Merrifield app, and that gave me about 60 cents back. So $4.60 off of $6.29 made it $1.69 total for these guys. And the coupon did not scan, but they put it through. I don't know why it did not scan. It's manufacturer print at home. Coupon expires December 31st, but did not scan. But anyways, they put it through, making that only $1.69 for those. All right, Veggie straws. Veggie straws, regular. I mean, the regular price for these were $3.99. Now they're up to $4.49. So for 2 of them, $8.98. However, they're BOGO, so that's great. You get 2 of them for $4.49. There is a manufacturer printable coupon for $2.50 off of each bag. I use this for the Garden of Eating chips, but also the veggie snacks are on there. Must be the same manufacturer. Same manufacturer. So $2.50 off made those $1.99 total. All right, Carbona carpet cleaners. This deal is just been around forever, and they're BOGO this week. So the best way to make it work is get one of the pet and one of the carpet cleaners. The pet one is $5.89 with tax, comes to $6.33. The other one is $5.69. The Oxy is $5.69 with tax, comes to $6.12. So BOGO, you're going to pay the higher price one, so you're going to pay $5.89 for both of these, but that's still a great deal. $5.89 with the tax for these guys came to $6.33. There's a hang tag coupon that takes $1 off, so I use 2 of those hang tag coupons. Harder and harder to find. Look on the outdoor one, that's blue and black. It's next to these. You can maybe find those. They're getting harder to find. My tip, of course, my tip: go when they're not on sale and look for the hang tags. But all right, so $1 off and $1 off from the hang tags. And then there is, I mean, and don't wipe them all off. I mean, you leave some. You're only going to need 2 of them because the limit is only 1 each. As I said, the ibotta rebate is a limit of 1. So $1 off and $1 off. There was a $2 off one, but that one is gone. So $1 off and $1 off made those guys a $2.33 total, and obviously helped me build up to my $40 threshold. Famous Amos cookies, right there. Regular price for these guys are $4.39. So for 2 of them, no tax, would be $8.78. However, they're BOGO. You get 2 of them for $4.39, which is a great deal. And ibotta has $1 back on each bag. That's $2 to the good. Fetch has 1,000 fetch points for each bag, so that's $2 to the good. And there's any item for chocolate ibotta rebate 10 cents back. That one glitched and came off, or I don't know. It is chocolate, Belgian chocolate. That was the one I got. These are the best ones. I like the taste of these best. So 29 cents for both of those bags. All right, Rockstar energy drink, right there. Regular price, I believe, are $2.50 for these with the tax, $2.69. However, they are on sale for 5 for $3, so that's $1.67 each. Factor the tax, comes to $1.80. There is a Publix digital coupon for $1 off, and then if you submit this to Stocking Spree, I believe it's about 33 cents. I believe it's Stocking Spree item, so I'm going to see on that. I haven't gotten it back yet. So 47 cents total for these guys. All right, Splenda Diabetic Shake, and I've bought these before, and I can't stress it. You know, always check the clearance rack. And I don't know, I think if you find something on clearance and you're able to just do it in the store or have the coupons ready, or maybe come back the next day, you're probably a pretty good couponer. So regular price for these are $9.99. Obviously, you can see they halved them to $4.99 when they were on the clearance rack. I never saw the French vanilla, so we'll see how that goes. So regular price for these are $29.97 for 3 of them. However, as you notice, they are on clearance, so I got all 3 of them for $14.97. There is a manufacturer coupon from the Save 10-2 that takes $5 off. Another tip: save all your inserts and coupons until they're all expired. So back October 2nd, which is, you know, almost 2 months ago, so I got that $4 off coupon. I used 3 of those. That took $12 off. And then ibotta has $3 rebate, so I used 3 of those, limit of 3. So it took $9 back, $9 off. Made these guys a $6.03 overage for those 3. So this is kind of helping me pay for, you know, the rest of the stuff, or getting paid. Preparation H. What is this? Soothing Relief Cooling Spray. Regular price for these guys are $6.99. I got some of these last week. They're $6.99, so for 4 of them, it'll be $27.94. However, they are on like super clearance for $2.79 at this store, so I was so excited to see that. I was happy to see that, of course. $2.79 for these times 4, no tax on health items. $11.16 in the state of Florida. $11.16 for 4 of them, and this is where it gets good. There's a $2 manufacturer coupon. I have a $1 manufacturer coupon and also a $2. I got to thank Kayla Coupons with a K with coupons. She, I had a coupon that expired November 20th, no, November 25th, so it was expired, so I was like, dang, I can't use that, but I did see that there is a manufacturer. When I watched her channel, there's a manufacturer coupon from their website. There's a $2 off one for any soothing relief. I don't have it on the table, and there's also a $1 one. So I did print out 2 of them. I wish I had printed out more of them, because I had seen these on clearance. So I used 2 of those, and then there's a Publix digital coupon for $2 off as well, and then I used the $1 off printable of any preparation age coupon. All right, but it gets better. Watch this. So $11.16 spent. I used $2, two $2 off manufacturer printable coupons. That took $4 off. I used one $1 off manufacturer coupon. That took $1 off. And then there's a Publix digital coupon that takes $2 off. You could probably do better if you got $2 off of all of them. So that took another $2 off. Ibotta has $2 off of each one times 4. That makes $8 off. Then there's a store coupon that takes $3 off of each 2. That was another $6 to the good. So here we go. $11.16 paid for these 4. $4 from the manufacturer coupons, $1 from the manufacturer coupon, $2 from the Publix digital coupon, $8 from Ibotta, $6 from the store coupons, making that a $9.84 overage for those 4. The reason I bought them. All right, Degree Ultra Clear, last deal here. Degree Ultra Clear deodorant. I don't know if this is the right one. Advanced. It said advanced, but it came off. Regular price for these are $5.99 for 2 of them. Factor the tax, $12.88. However, they're on sale. They're $1 off, so $4.99. Factor the tax for 2 of them, $10.73. There is a Publix digital coupon for BOGO, buy one get one free, so that took $4.99 off. And Ibotta has $1.50 back on each one, so that's $3 more to the good, making those only $2.74 total. And as always, I broke it into 2 transactions because I got the this was yesterday because it expired. I had like 2 days to do this thing. Closed Thanksgiving, and this like came in the mail on the 23rd. So I used 2 of those. Always try to use these things if you can. Always take advantage of the gas card deals if you can. It really kind of helps your deal. Obviously, maybe you don't want to buy a gas card, but when you have something like this, yeah, it's a no-brainer. Thus, my $219.38 worth of goods and my $26+ overage. So once again, please subscribe to Funny Looking Guy right here. Check out my more paid to shop videos. I'm doing this about 2 years, I think, and every week an overage, except for 1 week. Every week an overage. You can check the past videos if you want, but every week an overage. And this week was no different. So everybody enjoy the couponing this week.